Now, last night I told you that if you wanted to buy stocks, you had to wait until we get our first confirmed Omicron hospitalization here in the U.S. But for your average index fund investor who's trying to figure out whether it's a good time to buy, put more money to work in the S&P, well, they just got a clarion call to pull the trigger on at least some of that cash right now, even ahead of the hospitalization, lest we find out that Omicron isn't as horrible as we think. The call? At one point today, we had 9-to-1 selling to buying. 9-to-1. Keep those numbers in mind. That is a hallowed ratio where the late Mark Haynes, a legendary CNBC anchor and a good friend of mine, would always tell you that you had to do some buying. You had to hold your nose, he would say, buy, 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 and do some buying. That's how he called the clairvoyant Haynes bottom when the selling got too excessive in March of 2009. So given that it's a good idea to keep some money in an S&P 500 index fund for your retirement, you have my blessing tomorrow morning to commit some capital. Some capital. Not all. The rest needs to be put to work in stages after we start getting battered by Omicron cases here in America if something really goes wrong. I'd say call it 1/4 of your money tomorrow, 1/4 the day Omicron hits our shores, and then the next half over the following few days. This is the kind of thinking, I think, for people with IRAs, 401ks. This is your chance if you haven't done it yet. How about if you're picking individual stocks? A little bit different. You don't want to go too deep into this market yet, but there are some things you can start buying here. Either dividend stocks, as CNBC Investing Club members know all too well because of today's bulletin, or tech stocks, which do well when the economy slows, whether it's caused by the Fed or by Omicron. That means Amazon down big, ServiceNow or Microsoft probably down because people think Salesforce is slowing, which it's not. I'm going to mention Tesla because people like me to mention Tesla. It is a tech stock. Don't need to buy more than that right now. I think you get more opportunities to buy stocks into weakness.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.